Now, once again, I don't like things being left big and blank like this. So I would encourage you to fill out more of these areas, but I want to show you some real simple solutions to areas like this pyramid, okay, and why we stack layers. So I'm going to jump right out here into Google one more time. We'll go into a new window. I'll go to Google Images, and I'm going to just type in sand texture. Okay, I'll go to Tools, Size, Large. And I like this one right here. I just want something that's going to show off a bit of texture here. That looks pretty good. Control click on my Mac, right click on a PC and say Open Image in New tab. Right up there. I love that. I click to zoom in. Now I'm going to control click again or right click on my PC and say copy the image. I close it up. I click back here on Photoshop, and now without even making a selection, let's say we start at the top. I'm not even going to select that area. I'm just going to go to Edit and Paste. Now that photo is actually too big, so I'm going to move it around, hit Command T on my Mac or Control T on a PC. I just drag a corner. I just want it big enough just to be able to cover that pyramid right there, and that's definitely doing it. I hit return on my Mac or enter on a PC, and now all I have to do is bury it underneath all the other paint. And look at that. It just fills out the open space. See, it's just moving around behind everything else. So I'll just move it right behind the pyramid. Now I am getting a little bit of that corner coming in right up here, and I get a little bit right up there. So I'm just going to take this eraser right here, eraser tool. I'll hold Control and Option on my Mac and drag to the right. That's Control, Alt, and right mouse button on your PC to make your brush a little bigger. And I scrape it off. I'll scrape it off her little headdress right here. Scrape it off anywhere else it overlaps my drawing. And there we go. So I can incorporate other textures right into that line art. I encourage you to go through and fill out the rest. Have fun with it. Really get the hang of this because we're not coming back to it. We're going to move on to bigger and better things. But this is my introduction to layers, layer blending modes, flat colors. Oops, I don't know why that's popping up. Here we go. Flat colors, layer styles, painting shadows yourselves, incorporating filters, incorporating photo textures, as many different creative possibilities for all your future artwork, doing it here in Photoshop. Now, the only other thing I'm going to show you in the next and final video, like I keep saying, oh, this is a final video. The next and final one is how to save so you can submit your file to me. I'll see you there in just a few minutes.